Hello folks, and good afternoon on a warm but sticky Friday afternoon. That is I told you right, the 26th of July. At the moment we're now just watering the sweet corn. We've been just watering the onions and the carrots, what we've got down here, and the red beet and the sunflowers. What we're now going to do is we're now going to do a potato reveal. Okay, we're now going to dig the rest of the carolus. We're going to dig them up. And then a Yukon Gold. They're virtually dead now because of being scorched by the chemical that I put on. I think as I put too much on, instead of just walking with it, I just sort of soaked it and came out about a day later, and that was covered. But excuse me, I'm just drinking. I think what? Yes, that is out of a milk bottle. That's lovely. Best of both. So I'll just quickly show you the sprinkler. So you can see we're watering the sweet corn like that, because they're now they've got all the pollen on, and they're now developing the cobs. And we're using a fine mist so we don't knock any of the valuable pollen off. Okay. That's probably going to get knocked off by the storm anyway, but by doing this like this, that'll be a lot better. So a lot easier for the plants. Okay. So what we're now going to do, I'll get the camcorder set up and we'll start digging carolus. So back in a moment, folks. Folks, we're just got done the potatoes, harvesting them. So not too bad. As I told you about the carolus, they're not too bad. Got eelworm. So we've just done the Yukon Gold as well, and they're not too bad either. There's not many to a root, obviously, because they'd all died off. So there's the odd big one, but because of the eelworm problem, what we're going to do for next year is we're going to move the polytunnel to here where the sunflowers are, and then what I'm doing, I'm going to put all my potatoes in tubs, and then going to put them in the polytunnel. It's going to be a lot easier, I think, and we shan't have so much hassle. We shouldn't, we ain't have to, so we've got plenty of ground for other things. But I ain't going to complain about the soil, because the soil's in really good condition, especially this time of the year. So when you think about it, I mean, they went in nice conditions. It's still really soft under there, and it's all broken up. I think that 2 inches that we had, must have been last month sometime, or this month, has really helped. So I just leaving the potatoes there for a few minutes for a little while to dry, because there's a little bit of mud. So I'll bag them up and take them up to the house. So it's bloody warm, too bloody warm really. So I think that's been an average year so far at the minute. been an average year, as in for growing and result, saying it hasn't been crap, hasn't been good, it's just been in between. So but no, I mean we've got a couple of things established this year that definitely work up to a certain, or do definitely work. The main thing was the hose system, which I've got that working, and just got to make 2 or 3 little alterations to it, but other than that, it's not too bad. So I can only be used up to a certain time in the red beet, because what happens is when they're too thick, there's too many stems, they don't pass through, and they end up ripping off. So I can only use up till just before they touch. So then you just go through with the normal hoe. But hopefully I should smother the rubbish now if there's any that do come up. But no, it's not been too bad at all, folks. So once the internet's back on, I'll put these videos up and we'll go from there. But as soon as we get some more money in, we'll go and start purchasing stuff for next year. So we'll get all the tubs. We'll get them for next year. Get them here, and then we'll go and look at some compost, how many bags we'll need. I personally think we'll probably need about 20 odd bags, just one in each tub. And then we'll buy the seed compost. I'm not going to do onions, carrots or parsnips in trays next year. We'll do sweet corn and red beet, because I know they definitely work in trays. Just got to not put any other stuff, that just put compost and then pot on compost. But I'm probably not going to faff around with tomatoes next year, because I think that's going to be one of those years, as I kept telling my brother at the beginning of the season, that it's probably going to be a year for other things other than the tomatoes. Peppers ain't doing too bad, but I don't think that's going to be as good as it was last year. I mean, everything varies every year. So I mean the onions, I will say, look really good. I mean, I think they're now starting to go down and bulbing up. So I'm happy with what we got with them. So now we'll see what happens in the next few months. I mean, we everything just changes. What we do here, just changes so much. You know, and sometimes it changes too much that I lose interest in it. That's the thing. So I don't want to lose interest, because I like it. It's just some days where you want to do things like this, and then you plan it to do it like that, and then it changes, and then changes again, and before you know it, it's like, oh, stuff it. Right. Aside from the negativity, we will carry on, and we will catch up with you later on. Stay tuned, because we will be back on the 14th of September. Okay, the 14th, because we will look to be harvesting the Sarpos, the rest of the Innovator and Performer. So we will be back on the 14th. See you later, folks.